In this video, I'll show you how to create a cold cinematic opening where snow and icy particles rush toward the screen, revealing your video as if moving through a blizzard tunnel. Start by opening your project in CapCut Mobile and placing your video clip at the very beginning of the timeline. Tap on the clip to select it, then tap on Animation from the bottom toolbar. Now switch to the In tab, which controls how your video enters the screen. Scroll through the animation list until you find Blizzard Tunnel, then apply it. Once applied, you'll see snow and icy particles moving forward in a tunnel-like motion, creating a strong sense of depth and movement. Use the duration slider to control how fast the tunnel effect moves. A shorter duration makes the motion intense and fast. A longer duration creates a slower, more cinematic reveal. Preview the animation and adjust the timing until it feels right for your edit. And that's it. You've successfully added a Blizzard Tunnel reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.